welcome back to our channel Anki and Ishu. I'm Anki. In today's video I have a very special things to show you guys and also to appreciate my friend Alana and her mom because I have received Jammie Dodgers all the way from England, all the way from UK, and thank you so much Alana and your mom. I really loved it, especially in this quarantine, in this lockdown situation. If you receive any gift, it's a gem. It's literally a gem. And what else could make my quarantine better than Jammie Dodgers? I hope I'm pronouncing well because this is UK brand, and I'm sorry Alana and your mom if I pronounced it wrong, but let's get into it. Just dive in. Really excited. So I have received a mega pack of 16 biscuits of Jammie Dodgers with raspberry flavor, and it's a best ever flavor. And I also have the smaller one with same flavor with 8 biscuits. Which one should I open? I think this one, smaller one, because I don't know. Just look at this beauty. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see. Look at this beauty with a heart-shaped Jammie Dodgers in raspberry flavor, and there is also a small logo JD. Wow, I didn't realize before. It's cute. It's like heart, and then there's a spell of I don't know, there's a spell of water or something like that here in design. Oh, I'm loving it. Just a double-sized. I'll just grab one. I love it. Sweet. Flavor is nice. I can smell sweetness, raspberry. Of course, it's a raspberry flavor. It's nice. Jam. Boom. It's so good. Let me just finish this. I'm loving it. There's like, you have a biscuits and then there's a gooey raspberry jam inside. I love it. Let's try another one. I'm sorry guys, I can't give you from camera. I wish I could give you guys, but I cannot. I'm loving it. Guys, I'm back. I get it. Now I get it why my British friends are so into Jammie Dodgers, and it's, I think raspberry flavor is a signature flavor. I'm not sure. I have to check in website, but I love it. I really love it, and it made my day. Come on, Jammie Dodgers. All the way from England. Thank you so much Alana. Thank you so much mom. I hope you all are staying safe and happy. I love to see you again whenever we get out of this situation. I know I had never done a food blog or food review before, but this was very special to me, and I hope you loved this video. You will like, share and subscribe. If you liked my food review, you may also like other videos as well. So check it out and keep in touch. See you again. Bye bye. Anyway, I love it. I love it. Come on, Jammie Dodgers. Jammie, Jammie, Jammie. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Jammie Dodgers, Jammie. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Yo, yo. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Jammie, Jammie. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Jammie, Jammie. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Jammie, Jammie. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. I don't know what was that, but it was lit.